You're beautiful, thank you girl. I am perfect, you're incredible, thank you boy. That's true, say loud. Do you want something? Yes, opening me. Can be your friend. No sorry, I have lots of friends. We are so popular and bad influence. We are tight, so tight, I don't understand anything. They don't know the truth, they're always telling lies. It's always the same, everything like this, what is happening? Everybody thinks that they are the best, but they aren't. They are in the head of all the boys. We are alone, but we don't care. We are together, where we can be different. This makes us better. They are really the cardinal, but they are missing a friendship like ours that will last forever. Sometimes you are good people with the wrong people. People are wrong with them. We have to stop this. The ones do what they want, have to talk to them. Now we can't wait. Okay, you and you and you and you. Bye bye. Till never bye bye. Everybody thinks that they are best, but they aren't. They are in the head of all the boys. We are wrong, but we don't care. We are together, we're again different. This makes us better. They are different love, but they are missing a friendship like ours that will last forever. We are not going to wait anymore, because now is the time. Let's set up, come on, let them what we see. Come on, girls. Come on. Let's go. We have to tell you something. You are brilliant people. You have to change. You will have more friends. Your candle better. Sure, you are be friendly. Come on, be nice and not so difficult. Thanks for all. Nobody can ever forget to use this. Forget that we criticize. You have shown I was not done before. I don't know what we would like you. You didn't think you were so nice. Because I didn't know you before. I would like to be your friend, but please stop people like that.